Farmers carefully inspect each fleece, ensuring only the highest quality wool moves forward into production.
During shearing, skilled workers remove the wool in a single clean motion to preserve fiber quality.
Each fleece is removed as one complete layer, keeping the fibers long, soft, and valuable.
After shearing, the wool is carefully sorted, separating fine fibers from lower-grade material.
Impurities like dust, grass, and debris are removed to prepare the wool for industrial processing. The cleaned wool is compressed into dense bales, making it easier to transport and store.
These massive bales are then moved and organized, ready to be shipped to textile factories. From farms, the wool travels long distances to reach advanced textile manufacturing facilities.
Once inside the factory, the transformation begins as machines prepare the wool for the next stage of production.
In the next stage, raw wool is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, grease, and natural oils known as lanolin.
Special detergents break down impurities, leaving the fibers clean and ready for processing.
The wool passes through several stages of cleaning to ensure complete purification.
Between each stage, excess water is removed using soft pressure rollers to protect the fibers. Advanced systems carefully control temperature and flow to maintain consistent quality. After washing, the wool is gently dried using controlled heat to preserve its softness.
The result is clean, light-weight fibers ready for further refinement. Different batches of wool are blended together to ensure uniform texture and quality.
Humidity and airflow are carefully controlled to prevent static and maintain fiber consistency. By the end of this phase, the wool is evenly prepared and ready for structural processing.
Now, the wool moves into the next stage, where it will be transformed into strong, usable yarn.
In this stage, the cleaned wool fibers are aligned and straightened through a process known as carding. Carding separates tangled fibers and arranges them into a uniform direction.
This step improves fiber consistency and prepares it for spinning.
The fibers are transformed into soft strands known as slivers.
Next, these strands enter the spinning process, where strength and structure are created.
The fibers are carefully stretched to achieve the desired thickness without breaking.
Twisting binds the fibers together, forming durable and flexible yarn.
The precise twist determines the strength, softness, and elasticity of the yarn.
Advanced sensors monitor every strand, ensuring consistent quality throughout production.
Any imperfections are instantly corrected to maintain flawless yarn quality.
The finished yarn is wound into spools, ready for fabric creation. Now, the yarn moves to the next stage, where it will be transformed into fabric.
In this stage, wool yarn is transformed into fabric using high-speed weaving machines.
Warp and weft threads are carefully interwoven to create a majboot and stable textile structure.
Modern looms operate with precision, ensuring speed without compromising quality.
Smart sensors instantly detect faults, preventing defects in the fabric.
Next, the fabric is dyed to achieve rich and consistent colors. The woven fabric is collected into large rolls, ready for finishing treatments.
The dye penetrates deep into the fibers, ensuring long-lasting color.
Steam is used to lock in the color and stabilize the fabric structure.
Finishing processes refine the texture, making the fabric soft, smooth, and durable. The fabric is then cut into precise shapes using automated systems.
Each piece is carefully stitched to form finished garments. At this stage, raw wool has been transformed into fully crafted clothing.
In the final stage, every wool garment undergoes strict quality inspection before it reaches the market.
Each piece is tested for strength, softness, and durability to ensure premium quality. Advanced scanning systems detect even the smallest imperfections. Once approved, the garments are carefully folded and packaged for distribution.
The packaged products move through massive distribution centers.
From here, they are loaded onto trucks and prepared for global delivery.
These products travel across the world, reaching stores and customers everywhere.
From sheep farms to finished clothing, wool continues to power a global industry built on precision and craftsmanship.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory stories.